Justice served, 5 men sentenced in brutal Harrismith farm murder. In a resounding verdict that has brought some measure of solace to the community of Harrismith, 5 men were handed substantial prison sentences, totaling 205 years for their roles in a brutal farm attack. The incident, which occurred on July 23, 2023, resulted in the tragic death of 65-year-old Mr. Peterson Michael Andrew. Teboho Mathabedi, 22, Jablin Nongkongwani, 44, Becky Mafalala, 18, Lafosamotong, 26, and Sebayeng Kumalo, 22, were found guilty on multiple charges including housebreaking, robbery, kidnapping, and murder. The group's horrendous act involved breaking into Mr. Andrew's farm, Summersley, where they not only robbed him of valuable possessions such as laptops, cameras, and a Toyota Urban Cruiser, but also abducted him. In what escalated to a grisly conclusion, Mr. Andrew, after being forced into the boot of his vehicle, was transported to the Sebayeng area in Kwakwa, where he met his untimely demise. Each of the convicted was sentenced as follows: 3 years for housebreaking, 12 years for aggravated robbery, 6 years for kidnapping, and 20 years for murder, with some of the sentences to run concurrently. The dedication of the province's Serious and Violent Crimes Murder and Robbery Unit was pivotal in securing the convictions the day after the crime. Noteworthy contributions came from Mrs. Georgie, the prosecutor, and Mr. Mlambe, the presiding officer, who recognized the exceptional efforts of the Futhaditjaba Police, the Tactical Response Team, and key figures such as Colonel Ben Bolsiek and Lieutenant Colonel James Malatsi. Lieutenant General Baile Motswanyani, the provincial commissioner of the police in the Free State, expressed his gratitude towards everyone involved in the case and reiterated the commitment of the South African Police Service to bring perpetrators of violent crimes to justice. He emphasized the importance of maintaining the safety and security of all communities, underlining the relentless pursuit of justice that characterized this investigation. This case not only demonstrates the efficiency and courage of local law enforcement, but also sheds light on the ongoing issue of farm attacks in South Africa. The hefty sentences given are a statement of the judicial system's stern stance on violent crime, aiming to deter similar future offenses and bring justice to affected families. Thank you for choosing Satori News.